බලහත්කාරයෙන් අතුරුදහන් කිරීම විසඳින්න නොහැකි අභිරහස් නෙමෙයි. අතුරුදහන් කිරීම යනු අපරාධ. යුක්තිය සෑම විටම අපක්ෂපාතී විශ්වාසනීය සහ සැබෑ යුතුයි. අපගේ ජාතිය ආරක්ෂාව සහ අපගේ පුරවැසියන්ගේ අයිතිවාසිකම් යන දෙකම ආරක්ෂා කරන නීතියක් අපි ඉදිරිපත් කරනවා. At this point, I would like to state that the Prevention of Terrorism Act will be abolished. By September, the committee will be able to bring in a new draft. And here I thank the UN agencies and the UN Residence Coordinator for getting expert help and assistance for the deliberations of the committee. So we hope and pray that it will be a good law for people to have. However, at the end of the day, governments must be vetted, governments must be controlled. That's the right of the people. So we intend to, democracy. Where would be democracy with a right to dissent? So therefore, although I am capable of directly putting it to the cabinet, I am proposing to the President that we make a white paper and give at least 1 or 2 months for the public to air their views on this law. But my only request is, we need to bring it fast. In the past, when government said we are appointing a committee, we are collecting public consultations, what they meant was we are not going to do it, we just want to postpone it. But this government is very focused on getting things done. That's why even initially when I gave 2 weeks, even the Human Rights Commissioner who visited here was wondering why for such an important law only 2 weeks were given. But the reality is that we have done enough research, people have contributed enough. I wanted to be things done fast. But even after that 2 weeks of initial consultations, more and more opinions came in written form, they were taken in. So even here, I would prefer that the month of September will be the month. I will tender the copies to President and others, public, so we will have a good wide public consultation and not just the 2-week window of the Supreme Court. So it will be a more meaningful law for the people of this country where the rights are protected as well as the country is safe from global threats of terror.